Hi my loves, in today's reading we will going to have a love reading and message from your person. So by the way, this reading is timeless, and before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform. And if you feel resonated with my energy, meron tayong mga available na crops na offered sa ating Shopee shop. So, ito yung ating pinakabago na lucky string. Meron tayong red string and yung ating lucky color right now na choco mousse. Meron din tayo. Ito yung ating minimalist, my loves. Kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong maraming accessories, my loves, this is applicable for you. Pero at the same time, nag-a-attract yan ng mga manifestations, my loves, and also protection. So ito, my loves, very aesthetic, my loves, and non-tarnish lahat ng ating gold na cat's eye inspired dito, my loves. So if you feel interested, my loves, meron tayo niyan available pa, pero limited lang sa ating Shopee shop. And of course, hindi mawawala yung ating best-selling na Evil's Eye, the red return to sender na Evil's Eye with black tourmaline, my loves. Sobrang blessed or sobrang powerful niyan with its protection, my loves. So if you feel resonated, marami din tayong mga available na kulay dyan, my loves. And meron tayong mga sets na gems, kagaya nito, my loves, na green aventurine, pang outdoor siya, my loves, and hindi din siya nagtatarnish. So ito, sets na to, merong Evil's Eye and merong gemstone, lucky gemstone for you. Okay, so let's see the energy first. Ano ba ang meron sa love connection na to, my loves? Tingnan natin. Let's see the energy first for this connection. My loves, most of our collectives right now are dealing with their karmic relationship. Pwede, my loves, na nakaka-feel ka ngayon ng resentment. Pwedeng natitrigger ka ng mga bagay-bagay, pain from this karmic relationship. You must ground yourself. Okay, so dito, my loves, pwede, my loves, na nagdadala ka ng karmic relationship. You are dealing with someone na karmic mo pala without knowing na karmic mo sila, at hindi ka aware about the turmoil na fleeting in this relationship. So spirits are telling you to have stability, security, and choose your own growth, my loves. You have to endure. You have to, sabihin natin, hindi habang araw na dito ka sa karmic na to. Oh, get back out there. Meeting someone new. Spirits are telling you, or pwede, my loves, na spirits are telling you na kakawala ka na dito sa karmic relationship na to. Pwedeng nanggaling ka dito, and sabihin natin after that relationship is talagang sabihin natin, hindi mo kilala ang iyong sarili, pero you must have to endure this past, or you endure this karmic relationship, kung ano may idinulot niyan sa'yo, my loves. Kasi dito, spirits are telling you maging open ka to date someone. So maging open ka to see someone, meeting someone new. So spirits are telling you to move on about dito sa karmic relationship. Pwede, my loves, kung if you still in relationship with this karmic relationship, my loves, kailangan hindi ka man makawala, pero you have to stand your ground. At kung sabihin natin naghihintay ka ng sign, kung kinakailangan mo na ba i-give up, yes ang sagot, because dito is ginaguide kay spirits na maging open ka to meet someone new. Huwag kang mag-settle down, huwag mong focus ang sarili mo or i-close ang sarili mo dito sa karmic relationship na to. Okay? So, kumbaga, you are open, may karapatan kang kumawala dito sa person na to na nagkukos sa'yo ng lots of trigger. Maaari may loves na meron siya halimbawa na ginagawa sa'yo na alam mo yon, yung parang hindi mo na nakikita yung sarili mo because of the controlling issue ng someone na to. Or pwede ding may loves yung energy mo ay nakadependent masyado dito sa someone na to. And that's not healthy for you because dito sa stability and security, spirits are telling you, hindi ka mag-grow dito sa someone na to. Kung walang pagbabago, kung walang growth dito, you must open yourself, setting a date or date online. Okay, so let's see more confirmation about this love connection. Tingnan mo nga, break up. Pwede may loves kagagaling mo lang sa break up. Pwedeng with this acts, my loves, so kumbaga cut off, separation, you must stop the pattern. You must stop the pattern, my loves. Kasi pwede may loves na eto kung nako-confuse ka rin, binibigyan ka ng confusion ng person na to with the silent treatment. Or yung parang bigla ka na lang inabandon, my loves. So, dito, my loves, ito yung sign na karmic mo siya. You must stop the pattern. Hindi mo kinakailangan na magpatuloy pa sa relationship na to kung ganito din yung iyong nararanasan. I-stop the pattern. Lalo na dun sa mga silent treatment, my love, na nagkakos sa'yo ng lots of anxiety, lots of, sabihin nating, turmoil, kumbaga, nako-confuse ka, hindi mo alam kung may problema ba siya because of the silent treatment. But, iyon is hindi maganda ang dinudulot sa'yo. So, you must stop this pattern. Pwedeng through breakup nga, separation. Kasi nandito din, pwedeng kung hindi pa kayo dumadating sa part na to, pwedeng ito din yung gagawin sa'yo ng person na to, abandonment, or pwedeng spirits are telling you, you have to abandon this karmic relationship. Girl talk. Time with friends, move on. My loves, isa sa makakatulong sa'yo is to, eto nga, my loves, kung ikaw ay in relationship, ihanda mo ang sarili mo because dumiting dito yung happily single, living in the moment, okay? So, you must ground yourself. You must, eto nga, may move on dito, my loves. You must move on. Through, kumbaga mag-enjoy ka, my loves, kasama ang ibang tao para mailayo mo yung sarili mo dito sa karmic relationship na to. Need time. It takes time. So, cycles, time to heal, progress. So, dito, my loves, spirits are telling you, kung may nagpaparamdam sa'yo na someone, or kung gusto mo na rin makipag-date, sabi nga dito, you must, sabihin natin, i-date mo yung person na to, wag mong madaliin. So, my loves dito, yes, kumbaga, you are open to date someone, pero it doesn't mean na agad mo na siyang in relationship. So, dito, you must consider the time. To, make it sure, my loves, you are healed bago ka ulit pumasok sa isang relationship. Okay? So, bigyan mo sarili mo. Kung gusto mo makipag-date, yes, pero it doesn't mean na makikipag-in relationship ka na agad. Kasi dito, malinaw na malinaw, kailangan mo muna i-enjoy yung pagiging single. Okay? Kailangan mo munang i-enjoy yung pagiging single. So, let's see. Ano pa ang meron? Or sabihin natin dito sa connection na to since na siya ay karmic. Okay, honor your loved one and you will notice your relationship becoming stronger. So, dito, my loves, kung wala dyan, kung wala yung honoring your love or hindi kayo na-honor ng someone na to, ito na yung sign na hindi siya para sa'yo. Kasi ang love life na nakatadhana para sa'yo is dapat nandoon yung pagkilala sa relationship. Sa'yo as sa relationship. Yes, you still destined to marry you still destined to have marriage, you still destined to marry. So marriage of souls is a union of two divine counterparts blending together. So kung itinatanong mo wala ka namang magiging love life, meron pa naman, my loves. You are destined to marry someone, pero hindi sa ngayon. At sabihin natin, need time pa para dito. Kailangan muna, sabihin natin, it takes time, pero darating ka dun. And itong someone na to, yung pakakasalan mo, yung ino-honor ka, yung nakikita ka, and sabihin natin, pinapahalaga ng yung existence. And with this heart, you begin to feel your heart beat faster when you are close. So, maaaring paparating na to, my loves. Pwedeng isa to sa makakadate mo, pero it doesn't mean na kailangan mo to madaliin. So, kung hindi mo na nafe-feel yung mga ito, my loves, it's a no na for this karmic relationship kung nasaan ka mang connection right now. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung message from this person. Lalo na doon sa nagbibigay sa'yo ng silent treatment. I left when I saw you with someone. Pwede, my loves, na ito is sabihin natin talagang wounded na person na kung saan natitrigger din ang kanyang insecurity. I wish I had treated you better. So, andun din, my loves, yung sabihin nating tawag dito, andun din yung pagsisisi, pero alam niyang huli na ang lahat. Oh, I love you unconditionally. So, ito, my loves, karmic na to, maaaring hindi lang sa'yo ang lesson, pati dito sa person na to eh. Pwedeng nangyayari to, naging karmic to, pwedeng ikaw din ay isang lesson sa kanya. Kasi dito, pwede, parang lumilitaw dito na mas inuna niya, pinakinggan niya ang kanyang ego and insecurity. And hindi kanya, dahil doon sa mga wounds na yon, hindi niya naitrato ng maayos itong relationship na to. Pero mahal ka ng taong to, pero hindi niya kayang ipakita because meron pa rin pagsisisi. And alam niyang huli na ang lahat. That's why spirits are, sabihin natin, kailangan muna siyang bigyan ng lesson. Kailangan siyang bigyan ng lesson because doon sa mga nagawa niya. So, mas malakas yung timbang dito, my loves, na ikaw yung lesson sa kanya. And kailangan mangyari to, my loves, kasi hindi maliserve ang lesson dito sa karmic na to. Pwede din, my loves, na ito din nakatadhana eh. Pero I hear mas matitrigger, my loves, itong person na to kung makikipag-date ka with someone. Kung ipapakita mo yung pagpapahalaga mo sa iyong sarili. Kasi nandun na siya sa pagsisisi eh. I wish I had treated you better. So, kung mas ipapakita mo pa na deserve mo yun, at kayang merong mga someone na willing din ibigay sa iyo yun, or deserve mo nung maramdaman yun, hindi lang sa kanya, or hindi lang siya ang may kayang magbigay nun, mas matitrigger siya na ayusin yung kanyang life, yung kanyang sarili, my loves. Kasi nandun naman yung pagmamahal. Minahal ka ng taong to, mahal ka ng taong to, pero siya ay, sabihin natin, egocentric, hindi pa, kailangan niya munang mag-heal from this lesson. Kumbaga, kung ano yung na-serve na lesson ng relationship na to. You light up my world. Oo nga, ikaw nga yung pinaka-lesson, my loves. So, marami siyang realization, my loves, pero right now, hindi sa pamamagitan ng, sabihin natin, pag-i-stay. Mas marirealize ng taong to pag ikinat mo na to. Time will tell. So, hindi siya sigurado sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Basta right now, ito yung masasabing feelings niya. Nararamdaman niya. Meron siyang pagsisisi the way they treated you. Kumbaga, marirealize niya yung na ikaw ang kanyang light, na mahal ka niya, lalo na, my loves, kung in separation na kayo or magse-separate na kayo. And doon sa mga naging plans ninyo, even siya, hindi siya nangangako. Pero, kumbaga, parang ito yung clock, yung date. Need time, it takes time, time will tell. So, hindi siya sigurado kung masaserve yung lesson, kung hanggang kailan siya magiging wounded. And always remember, my loves, hindi mo obligasyon na i-heal yung person na to. Hindi mo siya obligasyon na i-heal. Ang may obligasyon ng kanyang pag-i-heal ay siya lang. So, my loves, you must, to follow your guidance, my loves. Unahin mo sarili mo, kumbaga, living in the moment, have fun. And itong person na to, kailangan ma-realize niya yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi siya yung wounded, siya yung may mas malaking trigger dito sa relationship nyo. Siya yung mas nagkukos ng lots of, sabihin natin, toxic sa relationship ninyo kasi siya yung nagpo-project ng kanyang mga wounds sa relationship na to at hindi ikaw. So, dito, my loves, kumbaga, marirealize na to at kailangan mong ipa-realize yun sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi niya yung marirealize at patuloy ka mag-i-stay sa tabi niya, yun, hindi niya to marirealize. Hindi niya marirealize na ikaw yung kanyang light. Hindi niya marirealize yung pagsisisi na to. At hindi niya marirealize kung gaano kanya kamahal. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.